I made one promise to myself: speak English every day for 30 days without missing a single day. What happened next completely changed my confidence. Welcome to Fluent Speak Lab. Today is day 15 of your English speaking journey. Let's discover how one simple 30-day challenge transformed my English speaking confidence forever. One morning, I looked at myself in the mirror and asked a simple question. Why am I still afraid to speak English? I had watched hundreds of videos. I had learned grammar. I had memorized vocabulary. But I still hesitated whenever it was time to speak. That day, I realized my problem wasn't knowledge. My problem was inconsistency. Now say, consistency creates confidence. Good. Again, consistency creates confidence. Excellent. So I made a promise. For the next 30 days, I would speak English every single day. No excuses. No skipped days. Even if I was tired. Even if I was busy. Even if I only had 5 minutes. I would speak. On day 1, I talked about my morning. I woke up early. I made breakfast. I am ready for a new day. The sentences were simple, but they were real. Now say, I speak every day. Very good. On day 2, I talked about my plans. On day 3, I described my room. On day 4, I spoke while walking outside. Every day had a different topic. Every day, I became a little more comfortable. Some days were difficult. I made mistakes. I forgot words. Sometimes I paused for several seconds. But I never missed a day. Now say, I never give up. Excellent. After the first week, something unexpected happened. Speaking English no longer felt like a school assignment. It became part of my daily routine, just like brushing my teeth or drinking water. And that simple change was the beginning of a completely different English journey. The second week of my challenge felt completely different. Speaking English was no longer something I forced myself to do. It slowly became a habit. Every morning, I started my day with one simple sentence. Today, I will speak English with confidence. Now say, I speak with confidence. Good. Again, I speak with confidence. Excellent. I began recording one short English voice message every day. Some recordings were only 1 minute long. Others lasted 5 minutes. I talked about my goals. I talked about my family. I talked about the books I was reading and the dreams I wanted to achieve. Then I listened to my own voice. At first, I noticed many mistakes. My pronunciation wasn't perfect. Sometimes I spoke too fast. Sometimes I paused too often. But instead of feeling disappointed, I smiled, because every recording sounded a little better than the previous one. Now say, I improve every day. Very good. One afternoon, while ordering coffee, I decided to speak only in English. I smiled and said, Hi, I'd like a medium coffee, please. The conversation lasted less than a minute. But when I walked away, I felt proud. Not because I spoke perfect English, but because I had the courage to speak. Now say, courage makes me stronger. Excellent. By the 3rd week, something amazing happened. I stopped counting the days. Speaking English had become part of who I was. I no longer practiced because I had to. I practiced because I wanted to. That was the biggest victory. Success isn't reaching the finish line. Success is building a habit you enjoy repeating. Now say, English is part of my life. Excellent. Every single day added one more brick to my confidence. One conversation, one recording, one small step. Together, those small steps were building a future where speaking English felt natural instead of frightening. Day 30 finally arrived. I opened the first voice recording I had made on day 1. Then I played my newest recording. The difference surprised me. My voice sounded calmer. My pronunciation was clearer. I spoke with more confidence. The biggest change wasn't my accent. The biggest change was my mindset. Now say, I believe in myself. Good. Again, I believe in myself. Excellent. I realized that I hadn't become fluent because I found a magic method. I became better because I refused to quit. 30 days, 30 conversations, 30 opportunities to improve. Every single day mattered. One evening I joined an online English meeting. People from different countries were sharing their stories. When it was my turn, I smiled and spoke without fear. I introduced myself. I talked about my daily routine. One shared my 30-day challenge. When I finished, everyone applauded. One person said, "You sound much more confident." That compliment meant more to me than perfect grammar. Now say, confidence comes from practice. Very good. If you're waiting for the perfect day to start speaking English, don't wait. Start today. Speak for 5 minutes. Tomorrow, speak again. Then do it the next day. Your future English isn't built in one lesson. It's built one day at a time. Now say, one day at a time. Excellent. Remember, progress is often invisible. You may not notice it today, but if you keep showing up, one day you'll look back and realize how far you've come. Today is day 15. Keep your promise to yourself. Speak every day. Believe in your journey and never stop growing. Congratulations on completing day 15. If you can speak English for just a few minutes every day, you can completely change your confidence over time. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like, comment, and subscribe to Fluent Speak Lab. Share this video with someone who is afraid to speak English. I'll see you in day 16. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.